Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the app and account ready. That's the only way to proceed. Download Hotspot Shield for your device, sign in, and verify your email so the service recognizes you. Once done, grant necessary permissions, VPN, network access, and location if asked, because Hotspot Shield needs those to route traffic. Make sure you choose the correct platform build, otherwise you may get incompatibility errors. Now open the app and move to the next step. You now connect and fine-tune settings so the VPN works reliably. Tap Connect or pick a region. Auto usually gives the best speed, while a specific country unlocks geo-restricted content. Then pick a protocol. Lightway offers a fast, stable balance, and enable the kill switch to prevent leaks if the VPN drops. If you need only certain apps tunneled, enable split tunneling and add exceptions. Once connected, verify your IP change, and to finish, verify everything. Check your IP and run a DNS leak test so you know traffic is protected. If the connection fails, restart the app and device, then switch protocol Lightway to OpenVPN, for example, because protocol swaps often fix NAT or ISP blocking. If problems persist, check your subscription status and allow background activity on mobile. As a troubleshooting tip, collect the app logs and contact Hotspot Shield support. They can pinpoint issues quickly when you provide timestamps and error messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.